In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Risk of Rain 2 split screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Risk of Rain 2 features split screen, or as most people like to call it, couch co-op. You don't need to download any mods for this, but you will need an additional controller, of course. So from the home screen of the game, all that you have to do is choose the multiplayer split screen option. This option will become available if you have two controllers connected. So on consoles, all that you have to do is connect an extra one. So you will have the player 1 controller, and then the secondary one can be connected using a cable. So you plug it into any of the available USB ports on your specific console, or you can connect it wirelessly. For the PlayStation 5 controller, you do it by pressing the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously to enable Bluetooth pairing mode, and then it is going to pair itself to the console. For different controllers, you might have to press a different combination of buttons or a specific one, so do research according to the console that you are on. I'm not going to cover each individual one in this video. Once the secondary controller has been connected, you might have to assign a user account to that controller, so if needed, assign a user or choose the option to use that controller as a guest. And once it is done, the multiplayer split screen option is going to become available from the home screen. Choose it here, and each of you will have your own view. So you can choose your characters, control everything, and start playing. Now, one thing that I need to make very clear is that for whatever reason, this option is only available on consoles. So the PC version of Risk of Rain 2 does not feature split screen, and there doesn't seem to be a way to enable it in the latest version of the game. You would be able to use it using mods, but it seems like they have been broken ever since the last update, and they aren't working as of today. So sadly, it is going to remain official only for consoles at the time being. But I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.